Hello people, good morning. As many of you knows that I'm planning for another trip, so there is something which I need to get ready. Probably some of you have already known, but there are a few things that I need to make changes on my bike. First thing and foremost is the tube, which I need to change. In my stock tube I have inserted a liquid formation called Ayami, and I have rode more than 2,000 kilometers now, so I think it's a high time to change it, because I think it's no more use of it, even though it's there inside the tube. So I'm going to change that today. And you can see I have rode 6,281 kilometers on my bike. So I'm going to change my brake pad from my front tire. My picture tire is okay. Then I'm not sure if I need to have COVID test, but if I have time I might do that also, since I'm going out of state. So to ride freely without any hassle, I want to have the certificate saying that I'm negative. We are living in the new world order. What to do? We have to make some adjustment. 29 to open that, na?
Okay,
We don't know how to change the tube also before, the picture tire also before. Nah. After riding so many. Hello bro,
this one Delhi wa banai entry.
Itu kan khuli kena itu khulibo lage.
tube test na.
Na?
Bullet na.
So the So Arabu, he's the local guy here in Nagaland, and he's the best mechanic.
And by the way, height issue change na lage.
But okay, yeah, after riding.
Main thing is like rasta biar especially achanak problem.
एक बार गिरी जाइले तो of course difficult. Busy heavy लगे साइकिल, especially in a long tour, ना?
So that side so I'm sure it's all black coffee only.
Yes. Thank you, Arabu. Yeah. So finally done with a local mechanic called Arabu. He's the best here in the town in Kohima. For any kind of bike that you need to fix. You don't have accessories, but you can get accessories in a dealer shop. Always support your local guys. This is other side of Kohima town. Beautiful, isn't it? So I'm all set, ready with my bike. I just need to get a COVID test if required, but I'm not sure. Okay, since you have asked me what are the tools that we need to carry while you're riding, basically the concern for any riders is to get puncture, and so these are the tools I always carry. These two tools to open your tube, and 30 number, 24, 19, and a screwdriver. So this is what you need primarily to open your puncture. Beside that, you can always carry other tools, but this will be enough to open to get it fixed again. That's it. Thank you.